Hello, welcome. This is CSM TV. In today's tutorial, we'll be looking at how to make body spray. How to make body spray. Okay, so body spray can be made from a varieties of perfumes in the market. I want to remind you that this tutorial is not sponsored, but it is brought to you by CSM TV, part of our contributions because of your support. Please subscribe to our channel, follow and like our page, because this motivates us to make more contents for you. Before we get started, I'm not here to promote any of the products, the perfumes in the market, but I'm not going to be calling names of perfumes. For the purpose of this tutorial, I will use the general terms perfume, okay? But I'm not going to mention the types of the names of the brands, okay? All right. Now we have different types of spray. We have body spray, odor control, air freshener, and so on and so forth. That brings us to our start point today. I just made a video on introduction to perfumes, so look for that video, watch that video. It's going to give you an idea of the different types of perfumes and how they are made. Okay, but today we'll be focusing on body spray. Body spray. Okay, so we have just two additives here. Two additives. Here we have the perfume itself. Like I said, I'm not going to mention the name of the perfume. This video is not sponsored. Okay, and then we have our alcohol here. The name of this alcohol is a general chemistry name. This type is called methanol. We have different types in the market. We have ethanol and so on and so forth. I'm not going to call brand's name. It's just a general chemistry name. So what you need basically in this type of perfume or body spray is that you need an alcohol and the fragrance, which is the perfume. All right. The alcohol here is methanol. So you go to any hardware chemical store, tell them you need methanol, they'll sell it to you. Methanol. Okay, and then you have the perfume itself. Okay, so this type of body spray is called alcohol-based body spray. Alcohol-based. Okay, we have different types of body spray. It can be made from alcohol, it can be made from oil-based, and it can be made from water-based. All right, so I'm going to do these individual videos for you separately so that you understand what we're talking about. But in today's video, we'll be doing alcohol-based body spray. Okay, and our alcohol here is methanol. Our perfume here, we have it here. Like I said, I'm not going to mention name. So what are the procedures? The procedure is that you're going to pour the perfumes, the required quantity of perfume, to the alcohol-based fluid. Okay, and then you shake very well. Allow it to stand for 24 hours. Your body spray is ready. Yeah. So for those of us looking for a business to start in perfume, this is one of the best business to go into. I tell you, millions of dollars are made annually from perfume productions and sales globally. So it's a very good business to go into. The people around you wear perfumes, so let's get started into the practical. This is your methanol, your alcohol-based fluid. and then this is your perfume. Okay, and then we're going to pour perfume into this alcohol-based fluid. Let me remind you, please, that the concentration of your perfume, that is how strong the odor is, depends on the quantity of fluid you used and vice versa. All right, so for me, I used quarter liter of alcohol-based fluid, which is the methanol, to the ratio of 30 mils of the perfume. Okay, 30 mils of the perfume. Wow, it's already smelling nice. So, but this alcohol-based perfume is ready. The advantage of alcohol-based perfume, briefly, is that when you spray it on the clothing or on the body, it dries immediately. Okay, it does not stain the fabric. And it's very cheap. It's not that expensive to produce, and if you're buying it as well, it's also affordable. So that is the advantage of alcohol-based perfumes. In our next video, I'm going to produce water-based perfumes and, of course, oil-based perfumes. Just a brief one: the water-based perfumes are very expensive. Oil-based perfumes are the most expensive because they last longer. The others last longer, and they are very, very expensive in the market. Okay, so to produce it, it's very expensive as well. All right, so I'm done with that. So I'm going to package my perfume. I have my container, my perfume bottle. You can get this in the chemical hardware store. They're not expensive. All right. Okay. All right. Okay. Boom. Our perfume is ready. So this is how to produce your alcohol-based perfume, folks. Wow. If you're looking for a business, this is one of the best chemical business ideas ever. Perfume production. It's very cheap to start. Branding is very easy, and everything's easy. All right, guys, this is how far I can go with this tutorial. Please, I want you to follow, and subscribe to this channel. Share this channel, share the videos to your friends, family members. Thank you for your support, because this motivates us to create contents for you, to keep creating content. Thank you so much. Bye for now.